I like teaching because it teaches me. It makes me better appreciate and understand what works and also what doesn't work in my topic, economics, but political economy.
When you explain something a little bit difficult, and in the first rows and the second rows you see that people are suddenly getting it, that gives you such a reward that I think these small moments like this make teaching really rewarding.
Wat ze vaak raar vinden is dat ik dan tegen ze ga spreken in het oud-Engels. Gwatwe gardena in jierdagom theot kuninga thrum je vroenon. Vaak zie je ze ook helemaal stijl achterover slaan. Wat gebeurt hier? Maar dan heb je ze 12 weken oud-Engels gegeven en dan zie je dat ze gaandeweg krijgen die taal onder de knie. En dat is heel mooi om te zien.
I became a teacher. Why did I become a teacher? Well, remember that I got a PhD and then I started teaching and I really liked the way that teaching forces you to re-engage with the topic.
For me, it was meeting great teachers that really transported me somewhere else, the world of concepts and theories. And when I think of them, I think about how I want to give my students a similar experience.
Oud-Engels doceren was wel mijn droombaan, denk ik. Als student vond ik mijn eigen docent, Rolf Bremmer, zeer inspirerend. En ik dacht, dat is eigenlijk wat ik ook wil. Ik wil ook op die manier mijn energie en mijn passie delen voor dat vakgebied. Ik vind het hartstikke leuk om te doen.
So, I don't know if people can learn from me. I think maybe that's a little bit arrogant. But one thing that I know I've focused on over the years is if you as a teacher can get students to identify with the questions you're asking, if they find those questions interesting, they will want to know the answer.
Innoveren in het onderwijs is hartstikke belangrijk. Digitale vormen van onderwijs, supergoed. Maar het moet niet ten koste gaan van traditionele onderwijsvormen die gewoon werken.
At LUC, we talk about teaching versus lecturing. So teaching is when you're in a conversation, and lecturing is when you're just talking straight to the audience. And they're supposed to listen. They're supposed to take notes and shut the up and listen. Sorry, but shut up and listen. So when there's an engagement, that is how students will actually learn, by engaging actively with the topic, as opposed to just like, watching the slides go by or throwing the page over.
Sometimes students and the teacher are fighting or struggling to make the class work. It's always two ways, students and the teacher. So I think we should both be nominated.